Hello, luxury car aficionados. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have the pleasure of exploring the epitome of British automotive excellencia of the 2025 Bentley Continental GTC. This Grand Tourer convertible seamlessly blends performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Let's delve into its remarkable features. Exterior features. Body panels. The 2025 Continental GTC showcases a harmonious blend of classic Bentley design and modern aesthetics. Crafted with lightweight aluminum body panels, the car maintains structural rigidity while reducing overall weight, enhancing both performance and fuel efficiency. The sleek lines and muscular stance not only exude elegance but also improve aerodynamic efficiency, contributing to a smoother ride. Headlights. Equipped with advanced LED matrix headlights, the Continental GTC ensures optimal illumination under various driving conditions. These intelligent headlights adapt their beam patterns based on oncoming traffic and road conditions, enhancing safety without compromising the comfort of other drivers. The crystal-cut design adds a touch of sophistication, aligning with Bentley's commitment to luxury. Taillights. The sleek LED taillights seamlessly integrate with the car's rear design, providing high visibility and a modern aesthetic. Their quick response time enhances safety, while the distinctive light signature ensures the Continental GTC is recognizable, even from a distance. Grille. Dominating the front fascia is Bentley's signature matrix grille, characterized by a blacked-out finish and chrome accents. Beyond its bold appearance, the grille serves a functional purpose by directing airflow to the engine bay, aiding in cooling and contributing to the vehicle's aerodynamic efficiency. Interior comfort and convenience. Seats. Inside, the Continental GTC offers handcrafted seats designed to provide exceptional support during long drives. Upholstered in premium leather with contrast stitching, these seats are both heated and ventilated, ensuring comfort in various climates. Adjustable side bolsters and memory settings allow for a personalized seating position, catering to both comfort and performance-oriented driving. Dashboard. The driver-centric dashboard features high-quality materials and a clean layout. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays, allowing drivers to prioritize information such as speed, navigation, or performance metrics. Ambient lighting with multiple color options adds to the luxurious atmosphere, enabling occupants to tailor the cabin ambience to their preferences. Infotainment system. At the heart of the center console is Bentley's latest infotainment system, accessible via high-resolution touchscreen. Features include Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated navigation with real-time traffic updates. Voice recognition allows for hands-free control, and over-the-air updates ensure the system remains current with the latest features and improvements. Steering wheel. The steering wheel is wrapped in perforated leather and features a flat-bottom design, enhancing the sporty feel. Integrated touch-sensitive controls provide easy access to infotainment and driver assistance systems, while the aluminum shift paddles offer precise manual gear changes for an engaging driving experience. Powertrain components. Engine. Under the hood, the Continental GTC houses a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, delivering 600 horsepower and 800 Nm of torque. This engine enables the car to accelerate from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.4 seconds, providing exhilarating performance. Hybrid option. Complementing the internal combustion engine is an electric motor, forming a plug-in hybrid system. This combination not only boosts total power output but also enhances fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. The electric motor provides immediate torque, improving acceleration and allowing for short-distance electric-only driving, ideal for urban environments and reducing fuel consumption. The battery allows for an electric-only range of approximately 80 kilometers, providing versatility for various driving scenarios. Safety and driver assistance. Airbags. The Continental GTC is equipped with a comprehensive airbag system, including front, side, and curtain airbags, ensuring occupant protection in various collision scenarios. Advanced sensors adjust deployment based on the severity of impact, enhancing safety for all passengers. Parking assist. Advanced parking assist features, including the 360-degree camera system and ultrasonic sensors, aid in maneuvering the vehicle in tight spaces. Features like automatic parallel parking and a 360-degree camera view simplify parking tasks, reducing the risk of minor collisions. Pricing. While official pricing for the 2025 Bentley Continental GTC has yet to be announced, it's anticipated to start around $250,000, positioning it competitively within the high-performance luxury convertible segment. Final pricing will depend on selected options and packages. In conclusion, the 2025 Bentley Continental GTC exemplifies the fusion of performance, luxury, and advanced technology. Its innovative hybrid powertrain, coupled with Bentley's engineering excellence, offers a driving experience that is both exhilarating and efficient. The meticulously crafted interior ensures comfort and convenience, while the striking exterior design commands attention. This model continues Bentley's legacy of delivering vehicles that excite the senses and set new